This is one of my favorite vegetarian dishes, and it's so easy to make. It's eggplant, tomatoes, garlic, basil, mixed in with a little bit of olive oil, balsamic, and garlic. So up here I have my garlic roasting inside that little tin foil pod, and we just now laid down these eggplant and these tomatoes onto the grill. Look how beautiful and pretty and bright they are. This is like our end of summer last dish. We also will layer this with some mozzarella cheese, of course. All right, we'll be back in just a minute to show you how else this looks. So we just turned over the eggplant. Look at those beautiful grill marks. Our tomatoes are roasting up nicely. We're going to be pulling those in just a second because we just want to cook to get most of the acid out of them. We just don't want them to turn to mush. Alrighty, we'll be back.